Right, previously we downloaded some images from Pixabay to our hard disk. We then uploaded it to the website into the image library. Next we're going to see how to insert an image into a page. So if we look at WordPress at the back end here, what we want to do is to bring up a page. So if we go down to where it says Pages and then go to All Pages, we'll start with this one, the About page. So if I simply click here, this will bring this page up. So let's say I want to insert an image at the end of this paragraph, between this paragraph and the next one down. So if I click here, then go and click here on the plus where it says Add Block, there's various types of blocks that I can insert. And if I click on the image block, this comes up, and I can basically insert from a URL, upload from my hard disk, but I've already done that. So in this case, I'll click on where it says Media Library, and here's the media library we saw earlier. So you just simply click on the image you want to insert. So let's click on, say, this one here. We've got some information over there, and again we've got the alt tag information which we should fill in really. If we click on where it says Select, that has now inserted that image, so you've seen how easy that was. Let's do that one more time just so you can see it again. So I'm going to click another image at the end of this item here. So I'll click there, I'll click on plus, I'll click on image block, click on media library, select the picture you want, maybe that one there, click on select, and in it goes. And as you can see, that was very straightforward. If I want to, if I click on here, if we look over here, there's various things we can add. So for instance, you can add alt text. So I can do something like that's not a very good alt tag, but basically you should always type in something there that kind of relates to what the picture's about. Over here where it says image size, if I click on the down arrow, you can go from thumbnail, which is very small obviously, to kind of medium like that, to full size. Incidentally, if the size is bigger than the size of the screen, it will kind of reshape to just to fill the maximum available space for it. Or I click on 25%, 50, 75, 100. So there's various things I can do there. Later on we'll see how to link that to somewhere else. If I click on the picture, there's also things up here you'll notice. So let's set this at 50%, and then up here we've got a line to the left, center, a line to the right. So there's various alignments you can do, like so. I'll go back to where we were, a line to the left, center, so on and so forth. Or we can go back to where we were. Or if you click on this one here where it says full width, look what happens now. It fills the entire available width. That is assuming that the theme you're using, more on that later, allows you to do that. So in this case we'll just go back to where we were. Something else you can do if you want is go to this edge here and just sort of drag in so you can have it of any size you want, like that. And finally down here you can write a caption, so you could have something like sitting on a big rock. Not particularly interesting in this case, but you kind of get the idea. So you can always put captions in if you want to. And really that's pretty much it for pictures. As you've seen, it's very straightforward. Actually, one final thing I forgot to show you. If you click on the image and then click here, you can change it to a different image, like so. So go to Edit Image, pick the image you want, maybe that one there, select. So you can always change from one to the other. Or of course you could have deleted it and started again, you know, whichever way you want to do that. But you know, essentially it's beginning to look a little bit more interesting now. So instead of just simply text, you've got text with pictures. Still looking a little bit boring, a little bit old-fashioned, but as I say, we'll improve the appearance as we go along. But so far you've seen how to create new pages, put text in those pages, and also put pictures in those pages.